When you work together, you become stronger, better, faster. 1 year ago, FSM joined Groundworks because together we would evolve an entire industry. This is our 1-year anniversary. In the last year, it truly has been mind-blowing what I've been able to witness.
If I could describe this past year in one word, I would describe it as winning. And the reason why I say that is because when I'm a part of Groundworks, I feel like I'm on a winning team.
This past year's been challenging, but in the best way possible. It's pushing all of us to be better. I think it's like reignited a fire that we all had because we want to be the best. And Groundworks really pushes us to do that.
It's been a positive change for me. It's a positive change for the staff here.
When we decided to join with Groundworks, there was a significant feeling of being involved with a larger team and tremendous amount of support, training material, and the ability to get everything we need.
The training investment is huge. We've been able to provide way better training to both new hires and old.
Our managers used to do all the training. Now our managers are getting trained. We're getting to learn from some of the best.
We just learned so much. I've never worked with so many great leaders in my career.
One of the best things that's happened at FSM since joining Groundworks is the opening of our new Grand Rapids branch.
Since day one of joining Groundworks, Grand Rapids became its own building, its own leadership. And in less than a year, it is a fully operational $10 million company with room to grow.
In the past year, Grand Rapids has experienced growth in our sales. Year over year, we've exceeded our plan by over 400%. And in installations, we've exceeded our plan by over 500%.
Groundworks investment in FSM has allowed us to supply the trucks, the supply and demand they meet. We've got good wheels underneath us, tools in hands, and the men they can produce. It's a force to reckon with.
The best thing that has happened to FSM since joining Groundworks is all of the additional benefits that we have available to us.
There's so many benefits for our employees. Like, it's so awesome that we offer a 401k now. Our installers have paid time off.
Promotions, the health care, the President's Club.
We have a bonus structure now that we didn't have before. We were always well taken care of, but now we have goals, something to strive for every month, every week, every day.
This year, month after month, our crews are just crushing it.
Since joining Groundworks, one thing that we really liked about it is the meritocracy that they push out. It's not how long you've been here, what your last name is. If you work hard and you get us over that bar and over that edge, you will be rewarded for it.
So in the beginning, when we merged with Groundworks, they come up with like a tagline. Ours was, "Together we will." And I can tell you in the last year, together we have. It's been an amazing ride, and I'm looking forward to the next couple of years.